Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can check battery health on your LENOVO Legion Go S. So to start, you will need to switch to the desktop mode or to the desktop environment through launching the Steam menu, either by the touchscreen or the dedicated hardware button, opening power options and switching to desktop. Or sometimes instead of switch to desktop you'll have the exit big picture mode, I think. So yeah, look for that option. Now let's open the Applications Explorer or App Manager. I don't know how this thing is properly called, to be perfectly honest. And here we'll go into the Discover or the built-in App Store. Now in the search section, press the X to pull up the keyboard and input the battery info query. I think you can even just leave it at battery, press search, and you should be able to find the app that I am about to recommend you. Well, something didn't work properly. I didn't actually press the search button or the enter button. Now look for this specific app, battery info, get it installed. Once the app is ready, simply go ahead and launch it. And here you'll see your battery health percentage, which is capacity percentage, which is for my, in my particular case, is 100% since my device is a brand new, Legion Go S. But if you've been using it for a while, you'll probably see a different picture here. It also tells you the nominal capacity or the capacity that it should have, the actual capacity or the capacity that you currently have, the technology of the battery. For this particular device it is lithium polymer, as well as the system name, whatever that stands for. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.